everyone, welcome back. If you see a try again later error on Instagram, it usually means there has been unusual activity or too many accounts in a short period. First, stop performing actions such as liking, following, or commenting for several hours. Then, log out of your account and log back in after some time. After that, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Instagram app, swipe it away, restart your phone and reopen the app. Also, check your internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Then, head over to your app store, search for Instagram and then make sure the app is updated to the latest version. If you're using third-party apps connected to Instagram, remove them for your account settings as they can trigger temporary restrictions. In most cases, this error resolves on its own within 24 or to 48 hours, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.